So guys, let's tie the head wrap together. Now this is it. Let's see the length. This is how long it looks. This is how it looks. This is about 90 in length. All right, in total it is 90. Okay, so for it to turn it, what you do is this side will be at the back, and this side that has this elastic will be at the front. Okay, so let me come closer. Once you do that, you put it, all right, need to adjust this to show up. So good, you put it this way. Now if you want your hair inside, you need to pack it. Okay, you need to pack it very well. It will be inside, but first let's just tie it without packing my hair, then see how it looks. Okay, so once you do this, you tie it. All right, make sure what you're tying and it should be at the front. So once you've tied it, okay, you bring this, you start, watch what I'm doing, twisting it together. All right, you start twisting it. Now this band can be bigger. All right, it can be bigger, it can be smaller, it's your choice. Like mine is 9. You can decide to increase yours when sewing it. Okay, so I've done twisting it, you can see it. Then the next thing, I'll take it round. Okay, take it round. You are taking it round. All right, once you get here, you put it in. All right, so that is it. If you want this back, you shift it to the back. Okay, but if you want it at the front, you can still bring it at the front. So this is how it looks. Okay, so let's turn. That is the back. If you want it this way, you can actually make it this way. Okay, this is how it looks. All right, so let me pack my hair and wrap it. Let's choose the one that is better. So guys, I have packed my hair. Okay, you can see it. All right, so let's tie it and see how it looks. Remember, the elastic part is always at the front. So that is it. Say it. Okay, so my hair is in. Once you have your hair in, you tie as usual. Remember, always at the front. Okay, and give your ears some space. Right, I think I'm loving this. So you twist, you know, it is necessary you twist it because you don't want it scattering at the front. It should balance very well. So once you twist, you hold here, go round. All right, hold it, go round. You see that? You go round. It is important you twist it. As you're going round, you're twisting more. Okay, this remaining one, you keep twisting. The remaining one you pass it under. It can actually be anywhere. So see how it looks. Let me give it a 360. That is my back. Okay. And that is the front. Alright. So you decide which one you like best. Okay. So if you want to learn how to make this, continue watching the video. Video of how to make it is there. Okay. But if you don't want cases, and please do give this video a thumbs up. Okay. Give it a thumbs up. I post amazing videos, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. All right. So how do I look? So guys, let's put that head wrap. Okay, now here is open. This is just a piece I have. All right, now it's folded into two. From here we'll be going with 13. All right, this is the length, 13. Then the width we'll be working with 10. Here 10, which is here. Okay, same thing with this one, 10. So let me concentrate me to you to give us the square we need. So this is it, 10 by 13. All right, once you have achieved that, you curve from here, curve down. All right, so now, having gotten this, here is open. All right, I need to sew it back. Here is not. I need to open here. Here does not need to be open. Here will not be open. All right, so I'll just sew it back. Here will be open, and here will be open. All right, so let me do that and show you. So guys, once you've got it, okay, all right, you sew here this coffee part. You sew the coffee part, okay. Now here, what you do here is fold it, open it up. Once you open it up, you fold it, pass the elastic under. Now the elastic should be 4 inches. All right, 4. Shouldn't be, at most 5. At most 5 inches, maybe for the sewing. You have 5. So this is the elastic I'll pass through, 5 inches. Here now, fold it and sew. Now first I'll have to weave, or I will do a double folding, okay, before passing this through. All right, so let me do that and show you. So I have folded it. This is it. I weaved it and folded it. So I'll pass this elastic through here. Remember, it was the cotton, the elastic is 5 in length. All right. So when stretching, it holds the elastic so it doesn't go off. So I've gotten to the edge here, I'll need a pin. So I'll use pin to hold it. I'll sew on it. Okay. I'll equally hold here. Pin it. All right, so this is it. Okay. Right now, what next is the band. All right, that long band. Now, this is the band I've already cut. This is 9 in width, yeah. Then in length is 45. This is 45, and this is another 45. So the total length for this band is 90. So before continuing, I'll just join. I cut it 45, 45. I will place them together and join them together. Okay. Place them together and join them. All right, let me do that and show you. So guys, I've joined it together. Okay, they are now one. All right, now having joined it together, the next thing is to fold it into 2 equal parts first. Okay, I'll have to fold it, then fold 1/2 inches in. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Equally fold 1/2 inches here, then put them together and iron. Okay, so 1/2 inches. Let me do the ironing, all right, and show you. So guys, I've ironed it. Okay, I double folded it, say it's all right. Now the total length I have is 90. All right, so that is our band. The next thing to do right now is get the center of the band. This is the center of the band, all right. See that joining? That is the center. I'll take that out because I actually pinned. So this is the center, and this is our edge wrap. Okay, our cap. Okay, so what next to do is, this is our center here too. Okay, I'll place this center where the center of the wrap is. Put it inside. Let me cut this out. When you put it inside here, center to center, then you sew. This is the center of the, make sure it's covering the perfectly well. Then you pin. All right, pinned. So you keep putting this inside and be sewing. All right, so let me start and show you. Let's start with the sewing. Now I'm starting from the center because they have to be even. The fabric left has to be even. So I'll open it up, put this, then put this on top of it and sew. Hope you're seeing what I'm sewing. Let's shift this. Oh God, this is it. That is the sewing. So this is how you keep sewing it. Try to make your hands straight, please. And make your sewing even, like If you're sewing 1/4 inch, continue with 1/4 inch. Close to the tip, continue with close to the tip. Okay? That's how you keep sewing. You get to the end. You sew including that what is it called? You sew the elastic, the part of the elastic is equally included in what you're sewing. Have that in mind. Okay, this is one side I'm actually sewing now. You can see we are getting close to the elastic part, which this will go on under. Once we get to the elastic part, I'll show you so you see what I did. Okay, now we have gotten close to the elastic part. Okay, this is the elastic part. You can see the elastic. Okay, now it is inside. Let me take this pin off. It is inside, in between the band. Then I'll sew on it. Now at this point of elastic, I like to sew back, like give it a double sewing, you know, for it to be tight. Then I'll continue. Okay, so this case, you're done with this part. You just keep sewing, joining the band together to the end of the band. All right, you keep joining the two of them. When you're sewing, you're placing them even, making sure they are even. I'm trying to keep a straight line when sewing that. Okay, so this is how you keep sewing it until you get to the end, which is here. You probably sew this way. You can see I folded here too. All right, you sew and get to the end here. I actually use pin to pin it down, so when it gets close to the one I'm sewing, I take out the pin. I don't want to lose. Okay, but if it happens there is need to do that, I'll definitely do that. Yes, so you keep trying to get to the end. All right. So guys, this is our head wrap. It is ready. You can see it. Okay, see the band. You can see how long the band is, and this longness is the beauty of it. Okay, so this is how it turns out. So guys, if you're a new subscriber, you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel, okay, and give this video a beautiful thumbs up. All right, so let's put it on our head and see how it looks.